Hey kids, welcome to Bubble Labz. I'm Dr. B,
And I'm Mr. Peanut.
and today we're going to learn about the wonderful world of STEM.
Wait, what's STEM?
Science, technology, engineering, and math.
Oh, you mean blowing stuff up?
No, I mean making our world and cities a better place.
Oh, so how do we do that?
Well, we'll show you.
Oh man, my drone crashed.
Oh, I played with drones before. They're fun, but what do they have to do with making our world a better place?
Drones are usually used as a backyard play toy, but they're far more useful than that. Sometimes police use them as cameras for surveillance, and drones can deliver packages, reducing the carbon footprint.
Wow, that's amazing. Well, how do they fly?
Well, if you can see, a drone has 4 motors. If you look carefully, they're angled at a certain way. This pushes the air under it, making it fly. Watch this.
Oh. Again? I was just about to learn about solar panels. Sorry about that. Please continue.
People sometimes mount them on their roofs and use them to get energy.
Oh, like a battery?
No. It takes the energy from the sun's rays and converts them into electricity that we can use to power smart cities. That's solar energy.
Wow. Wait, so do we have unlimited energy?
If you maintain them properly.
Man, it's almost time to go home.
But we haven't even begun to talk about the amazing world of STEM. We still have flux capacitors, flying cars, atoms.
Well, that'll have to wait. I have to go home.
Well, is there anything to say before we go to our viewers?
Always eat your vegetables, kids.
No, about STEM.
Oh, well, it's hard to put in words, but STEM is the most amazing thing that's ever happened to me. The feeling you get, even when you accomplish something small, is just so warm and welcoming. I really hope you guys consider a career in STEM. But until next time, Peanut out.